Hi, this is David Morning, and Nicole Key and I are doing a presentation on Nearpod. So what is Nearpod? Nearpod is an online tool that can be used in a variety of different formats to create interactive lessons in just a couple minutes. You can import in existing lessons, whether it's a PDF or a PowerPoint file. You can add interactive features to it, like virtual field trips, 3D objects. You can add quizzes and polls and those open-ended questions for more of that formative assessment tool. So how it works is once you open up a PowerPoint, the students will need their own laptop, or they can share a laptop with a partner. They can launch those lessons instantly and receive comprehensive student assessments by synchronizing what the teacher sees on their screen is what the students are going to see on their screen as well. The teacher shares a code, the students put in that code, and everything is now interactive and synchronized. So like I said, what the students need, they need their own laptop, or in my case, when I've done this in my third grade classroom, when I didn't have enough laptops for every student, I've paired them up had them in pairs to work together. It gives every student a voice. It's inclusive. The students are experiencing that interactive feeling where they're interacting in an online format. So what the teachers need, they'll just need their own laptop for this. Everything is synchronized, so once the teacher shares the code and the students put that code into their laptops on Nearpod, everything is now synchronized and the teacher doesn't necessarily need to project anything anymore. But the teachers, they can choose from free or paid lessons from expert educators and their online partners, or they can just customize any lesson to fit the student needs, or they can use their previous lessons or PowerPoints that they've already created and just now made it interactive. So the big question is, how is it produce assessment in that formative assessment? Well, it evaluates students' responses live or with post-session reports. So if it's live, you're going to see their quizzes or how they answered well on an open-ended question where they just type in the question, but everything is live and the teachers are getting those reports in an online live session. Or you can see at the end here the participation, how much the student participated in the lesson, how much were they answering those open-ended questions, how much were they participating with one another. So it's almost like a flipped classroom feel, but it's in this Nearpod account that is free or paid if you decide to choose to do so. So a little bit about the pricing details. Like I said, a lot of the tools that we use are going to be free, like the polls, the interactive quizzes, the open-ended questions, the beautiful slideshows, as they say there. But you can pay more to allow more opportunities for yourself and for your students to do. Like you can assign homework for the gold, for the platinum. Lots of thousands of ready lessons for kindergarten up to 12th grade. And also that I thought was cool, it's the learning management systems. You can integrate it with Canvas, Schoology, Blackboard, whatever, to make it interactive and have all of your assessment tools in one place for all of your students. So that's all about Nearpod. I hope you learned a little bit more about it, and I hope you're interested in trying it out in your own classroom.